Lord, take my life and let it be consecrated.
Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when una dey listen to me from today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Wednesday, 27th November 2024, and our topic today na true worship. Our memory verse dey for John chapter 4 verse 23. But the time dey come, and the time don even reach, when the people wey wan really serve God go serve am for the true way wey God's Spirit go show them. Our Bible reading dey for 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 20 to 31. Then Saul tell Samuel, "But I don obey God. I go as he sent me. I bring Amalek king Agag come back after I don kill all of them finish. But the soldiers take some of the best animals and things, so that they go sacrifice am to the Oga your God for Gilgal." Then Samuel say, "Now which one God like pass, to obey am or to offer sacrifice and offering? E better to obey than to sacrifice the best sheep give am o. Because to go against am be like when person chop winch, and to dey show stubborn head be like when you dey worship juju. So because you don reject the word wey God tell you, he himself don reject you as king." Then Saul come tell Samuel, "I don sin because I no obey God command and wetin you talk. Because I dey fear the soldiers, I can't follow wetin dem dey talk. Now, abeg make you forgive me. Follow me go, so that I go worship God." But Samuel tell Saul, "I no go with you, because you don reject wetin God talk, and God don reject you as king over him people Israel." When Samuel turn make he dey go, Saul come try to hold the cloth corner, and the cloth corner come tear comot. So Samuel come tell am, "God don tear Israel kingdom comot from your hand today, and he don give am to person wey better pass you. God wey get Israel must do wetin he talk, and he no dey change him mind, because he no be human being wey dey change mind." Saul come answer am, "I know say I don sin, but make you no disgrace me before all these people. Abeg follow me make we go worship God." So Samuel follow Saul, and Saul come go worship God. Now the message. When people dey sing, dey dance, or even dey cry as dem dey worship God, e go look as if say dem dey worship God the true way and in spirit. But na only God know who dey really worship am, and those people wey dey fake am. For today Bible reading, we see one of the major pointer of fake worship. Saul bin dey only worship God so that the elders and Israel people go see say e dey worship. If you only dey worship God for church make people see you, then that one no be true worship o. If true worshiper dey worship God for public, na appearance of wetin dem don dey do for private na you dey see. Dem dey always prefer to worship God for private so that dem go dey free to express their self, instead of public place when dem go dey conscious of people wey dey around them. Another pointer for fake worship na when your worship only be singing, dancing and clapping, and you no dey look for ways to take know God and to obey am. If you no dey look for ways to take do him will every time, but you only like to sing worship song, na just good music you dey enjoy be that o. You no dey worship God the true way. Real worship na about pleasing God, no be just to sing, enjoy good music or feel good about yourself. True worshippers dey always dey look for ways to take know God and to obey him commandments every day. Then they give their heart completely to God, and they always look for ways to take glorify am with everything wey dey their lives. This na because 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31 talk say, "But anything wey una dey do, whether una dey chop or drink, make una do am to honor God." True worship dey come from the heart, no be jamboree o. True worshippers dey in love with God sotey Dem dey worship am by serving am well well, come give to im work by paying their tithe and offering. Dem dey also worship God by putting am first for everything wey dem dey do. Dem dey addicted to spend time for im presence, and dem no fit imagine say dem dey separated from am. Like David, person wey dey worship God the true way go talk, "My God, just as there dey find water to drink, na so too I dey find you. I dey hungry to know you, the God wey dey alive. So na when I go take stand for im front?" As we see am for Psalm chapter 42 verse 1 to 2. The main reason for true worship na to obey God and to glorify am for our lives, instead of to dey offer sacrifice to am with only our mouths. You dey truly worship God the true way? The main point for today's message be say worship dey come from the heart. You go express am for every part of your body, no be only for your mouth alone. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.